mode activated. Time to fuck this shit up.
So I put it in, the sinkers in this, and used it to get the balance. Then I took the sinkers out of it, put it in that, went and flew that, landing gear broke, went home. Came out last week and decided to do this. Now, decided to fly this girl and put a camera on there so we can get some onboard footage just to see what it looks like, see how it flies. Launched it, smashed it straight into here, and I'm driving home thinking, I don't remember picking up the ballast, the nose weight, and then I remembered. Didn't put it in there, didn't take it out of that plane. So always check your CG. Otherwise you'll end up with a bird that's a little bit sick. So we've got the CG happening there now, so that's right. I've put a tie here so that, you know, these zip tie thingies, so that we can keep the cover on. I'm going to give it one bit of a spin to see how it flies. But look, we smashed that, so that is all new, that wing section or the feathers and that piece there. And smash that piece, and this did a lot of damage here, and that piece and the wing. Broke this in half, completely smashed this. So this is all new, the shoulder, the nose piece is all new. Everything's sort of good to go in there, and I've reinforced it with some tape, and we've done all that. Put a bit of a crack in there, but you know, like, anyway. So what we'll do is we'll put that back on there, and we'll just tie this up for the time being, and just make sure that that doesn't go anywhere. That just holds the cover on. So yeah, all good to go again. You know, we're just so we'll throw it and see how we go, and if it goes alright, we'll put the camera on it, see what it looks like. And we put some fiberglass tape under there again, and I've put some there just to hold that. That's the PLA to the lightweight PLA. I mean, it sticks, but I think when it comes into land, that's probably the weakest point. So just that little bit of extra. Alright, let's see how we go. Still good all surface wise. Probably don't need that much power. Get a bit of height. I don't want to turn into the sun, if you know what I mean. That's flying nice. I'll bring him in the land. She's been off since I turned. I think we're going to just come straight in here somewhere. Ooh, yeehaw. Waiting on getting this up in the air again. So we're going to take this out. It didn't fly real good when I put the camera on. I don't know what happened there. Looks nice, doesn't it? Kind of a bit of fun. I'm not into the sun, for crying out loud. So it's a combination of speed or acceleration and controls to try and keep it sort of level and controllable. Lead the speed off around this way. Watch out for me. Watch out for the sprinkler. And we landed